Happy day to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. Before I get to the 5 important points and all of those things, I want you to wear your confidence to the exam hall. That's the most important thing. I know many of you all will be thinking, my auditing paper, will it be easy, moderated, difficult? Whatever it is, guys. Whatever it is. In that paper also, people will be clearing the exams. In that paper also, students will be getting 60 plus, 70 plus in the examinations. I want you to have that mindset. If they are able to do it, why not me? Why can't I be the person who's able to get 60 plus in the auditing paper? This only is called as manifestation, guys. First, let's start off with manifesting that we will clear group 2 in this attempt itself. You put it down in the comment saying CA finalist. In the dash, you write your name, whether you're Vijay or Vikram or Saranya, whatever your name is, you put it down. Or if you're writing only group 2, your name and will complete group 2. Like that, you first start off with manifestation so that you're able to wear that confidence to the exam hall, guys. Now I'm coming to the 5 important points. When they give you the question paper, you get first 15 minutes, correct? That first 15 minutes is the most important time. You have to do smart work there. In that time itself, you are going to select the 4 best questions that you're going to write, and obviously the compulsory question also. If possible, kuttiya, smaller, you just write in pencil in the side itself the answer. Say, for example, they're asking something with respect to professional ethics, you know it'll be one of this only: copy, confidentiality, objectivity, professional behavior, integrity. Like that, you write it in the side so that it will more or less be like an open book exam when you're actually writing. You can elaborate on those points. Or if you write it and see if they're asking a case, you'll know one of these 5 only is the answer. That time you can think. So it becomes easy for you. Be smart in the first 15 minutes itself. Finish this work and then you move forward. The second one, MCQ. MCQ can either do start itself, that is, as soon as you get your answer sheet, you can start off with the MCQ, or you can do it in the middle, never at the end, because usually in the end, you will be writing very fast. You can't do a lot of thinking work at that time. That's the reason why I said start or middle, and maximum time you can take is 45 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes. Whenever you want, you do start or middle, but time is extremely important. Auditing as a paper itself, you have to be time conscious from 1:45 till 5 p.m. You have to be extremely time conscious. Keep looking at your watch. Carry your watch. Do not forget it. Very important, guys. If it's a case study based questions. Now, people who've done my MCQ marathon would have already had this takeaway. If not, I'm just going to give it to you in one sentence. Don't ask why. I'm not going to explain all of those things. I just want you to follow this blindly. Read the question first. If it's a case study based questions, you know exactly what are the questions, and then you read the case study. Are you able to understand? Just follow this blindly. Now is not the time for me to explain and all of those things. Next is quality over quantity, appropriateness over sufficiency. What am I trying to say? They are giving you 4 marks and there is actually only 4 points or 5 points. Don't simply write facts of the case, analysis and all of those things and waste your time. Directly jump into the answer. If you know these 4 points are there, directly write the 4 points. If it's a case study based questions, then you can do your analysis and all of those things. Direct question, direct answer can fetch you full marks. Even if you write your own stories for 3 pages, you might end up getting 0 also. So just focus on the quality more than the quantity. That's why I said appropriateness more than sufficiency. Most people forget the calculator. Do not forget it. NPA provisioning, they can ask. Yes, drawing power computation, they can ask. You must be prepared for all of those things. Please take your calci also to the exam hall. And most importantly, guys, go to the exam hall with a smile. Be calm. Tell yourself it's okay. Whatever happens, I'm going to write whatever I have studied. Time was there. I have studied. I've given my best. Now in the next 3 hours also, I'm going to give my best. However it is, be happy. All the very best, guys. I am confident that you all will do well. I'm extremely confident. I want you to have the confidence on yourself also. That is the reason why I always start my video with happy morning, happy afternoon, happy evening and all of those things. Be happy in life, guys. Write happily. Auditing is also a happy paper. Write well. All the very best.